Hi, welcome back. And so I want to explain something very important that appears not so important. Okay, it is the HTML Doctype. I know you would have noticed this. You kept seeing this, before the HTML. And so why is it important? And so a doctype declaration is just an instruction to the web browser about the version of the markup language, in which it's just an instruction to the web browser. Say, okay, this is a HTML5 document. Initially, when doctype used to be very long, because the HTML language was SGML based, and it was longer. But with HTML5, it became shorter. Okay, HTML5 referred to as the doctype declaration, referred to as a doctype definition, and so just make it a duty to always add a doctype at the end of your script. It helps for proper indexing of your website in search ranking and all that. So don't always omit this. Though if you remove it, your web page is going to work, but you also help the web browser to render your page effectively, and it's something I want you to know about. Okay, so another thing I want to explain to you is another important is HTML meta information.